welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your presents and wishes. Where I am? Currently I am in Greece and I'd like to share with you my positive vibes. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. I am on the island Crete. In Russian I can say "Я на острове". Ostrov means island. Ostrov. Я на острове Crete. And do you know what? This is the largest and the most populated island in Greece. Guys, right now let's take a look at the local shop. What do they have? What kind of souvenirs they have? Let's see. Guys, look what we found. The first one is here. You can see what is. We call it открывашка. 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 Oh, some more. Take a look. Мыло. Yes. We call it мыло. Мыло, like soap. Мыло. Catcher in Russian is ловец снов. Ловец снов. Guys, take a look. They're traditional olives. Olives are оливки. Оливки. And I can ask you, тебе нравятся оливки? Do you like olives? And another one, here we have olive oil. Take a look. Оливковое масло. Оливковое масло. I do like Greek salad and you can put some olive oil on it as well. Guys, let's learn some more. Salt shaker is солонка, солонка. And we have pepper shaker is перечница, перечница. Это ракушка, это ракушка. This is a seashell. Тебе нравится ракушка? Do you like the seashell? Guys, do you hear this sound? We call these insects cicadas, and you can hear them everywhere. Guys, I'm in a special shop. In our country, cannabis is prohibited, but here you can see you can enjoy life and you can try anything you want. For example, take a look, they have cookies with cannabis. I've never tried it, so we'll see how it tastes very soon. Cookies. They have tea as well, so it can make you calm and you will feel relaxed after that. So yeah, if you feel anxiety, you can try it and you will feel much better after that. They also have gummy. If you have a sweet tooth, this is for you. Gummies. They have bubble gum. You can see here. So you can try absinthe with cannabis, with cannabis as well. Chocolate with cannabis. Also you can see milk or dark. We say in Russian шоколадка. Chocolate, шоколадка. Что это? Это пистолет. Это пистолет. This is a gun, and I have a very cool fact about it. An average Cretan owns at least one gun. This is for cultural reasons. They usually have gunshots during some festivals, for example, during weddings. We call it port, корабли. Guys, look at this beautiful surrounding. Guys, let's eat together. Take a look, we have their traditional Greek salad. In Russian you say греческий salad. And over here you can see I have swordfish, you can see French fries, tomatoes. Guys, look at that. Что это? They call it raki. Raki is a traditional drink in Greece. Let's try it. It's similar to vodka. I've never tried it before, so let's see how does it taste. Smells like vodka. It's very strong. Very strong. Why they give it? Because it represents hospitality and culture. Guys, another cool fact is about air. Air in Russian is воздух. It has magical air that can heal any disease. So if you feel ill, you need to come here and inhale and exhale.